How can you configure work profile in your Android phone? Let's get started. So it is relatively simple to do. All you need to do is to locate the settings app of your phone and then find what's called modes and routines. It's very likely called that way, even though it might slightly vary depending on your particular Android model. But in this section, you can find different things like the sleep. In my case, it's also driving, exercise, relax, and like theater, so many different like modes. One of them is already a work mode. So I can click on it and start customizing it in like any way I like. So I can just choose when it's going to be turned on and some different things like that, right? So I can just, enable the do not disturb mode with that and choose which apps and people can and cannot contact me, and enable the power saving mode if I want, and change the wallpaper and just configure the work mode, meaning that whenever I turn it on, phone behaves differently because it knows that I'm working. As I mentioned, it's very useful to block notifications and some different distractions and making you like stay focused to the task. And yeah, it's of course up to you how you can configure it, but this is the general way how it's done. One important thing to mention is that if you cannot find it from the list right there, what you need to do is to create a brand new one. Like there is the option to create a custom mode, which you can title however you like. For example, I recently have created one for gaming, which is, different. It wasn't like set up by default, but it doesn't matter because you can just choose it for any kind of purpose. So work mode should be available right there, but even if it's not, just create a brand new one and just title it however you want and set it up in a way that you prefer. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, or if you managed to pull it off. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.